So Houston, we might have a problem. This power jack's been running, the fan's been running since I've got home, and I got home at 5:15. I'm not sure if it was running before that or not. But this fan on this power jack's been running ever since, and it's like 9:30, 9:45, I think. Let's go take a look. It's like 70 degrees in here. That thing's still running. Draw my power down. I don't know why it's doing it. Like I said, though, it's 70 degrees in here, but 4 or 5 hours is a bit much. And there again, I hadn't been home all day. I've been working. I don't understand it. It's never been on this long. It's not hot to the touch at all. Power jack, can you explain this to me? If you can, comment below. I'd like to know. I don't think that's acceptable. It's going to ruin that fan, it's going to ruin the inverter. I would think. But, yeah, just a quick one. Kind of worried now. Got cool air blowing out of this. Power jack fan is just staying on. So, anybody got any clues? Comment below. Power jack. Let me know what might be going on. Should not be running this long. Alright, thanks for watching, people. Alrighty. After about 5-6 hours of running, the power jack fan finally quit running. It's now 10, I believe, 05. And like I said, I'm not sure how long it was running before I got home from work, but I was at home at 5:15, and she drained a little bit of power. I'm not sure why. So, putting this one out there to power jack. Why is this fan running so long? It shouldn't. And I need to know. Honestly, right now I'm thinking if Ames did one about the voltage you guys keep to where it doesn't shut down at 22 volt or, you know, something like that, I pray good Ames. But the power jack I'm kind of worried about. Maybe it's just a fluke. But yeah, if anybody knows what might be going on, let me know. I don't want these Teslas drained that far. 19.8 is as far as they can go down, and that wouldn't be good. They were at 24.2 still. These batteries rock. The Teslas really rock. I'm going to do a balance check real quick. I'll insert it into the video, and there we go. But power jack, if you can, email me or just comment, whatever, if you're listening. I'd like to know. I'd also like to know why my LED lights blink all the time with this thing. It's not good either. I don't know if you can tell it, but that light is blinking a little bit. But yeah. Well, folks, have a good evening. I'll try to figure out this mess. Like, subscribe if you would, and share. Thanks for watching from the Solar Homestead.